Have you ever wondered what it's like to stand on top of the world? What it feels like to gaze down upon the Earth from its highest point? Welcome to a journey through time and altitude, as we explore the history of the majestic Mount Everest. In the heart of the Himalayas, straddling the border between Nepal and China, rises the world's highest peak, Mount Everest. Towering at an impressive height of 8,848.86 meters above sea level, this mountain is more than just a geographical marvel. It's a symbol of human aspiration, challenge, and sometimes tragedy. Our story begins in the mid-19th century with the Great Trigonometrical Survey of British India. The survey, aiming to map the entire Indian subcontinent, identified a peak, then known as Peak 15, as potentially the highest in the world. It was in 1865 that the Surveyor General of India, Andrew Waugh, named this peak Everest, honouring his predecessor Sir George Everest. Interestingly, Sir George objected to this honour, but the name stood, and thus Mount Everest was officially christened. The allure of Everest grew over the years, beckoning adventurers from around the world. Yet it wasn't until the 20th century that humans would conquer its peak. Tenzing Norgay, a Nepalese Sherpa, and Sir Edmund Hillary, a New Zealand mountaineer, etched their names into history in 1953. They became the first confirmed climbers to reach the summit, a feat achieved via the Southeast Ridge route. Everest has seen countless brave hearts attempt its ascent since then. Two primary routes have emerged as the most popular, one from the southeast in Nepal and the other from the north in Tibet. The mountain, however, is as treacherous as it is beautiful. As of November 2022, 310 climbers have lost their lives on Everest, with over 200 bodies remaining on its snowy slopes due to dangerous conditions. To summarize this epic journey through history, Mount Everest, named in 1865, has stood as a beacon of human aspiration and challenge for over a century. It was first conquered in 1953 by Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary, and since then, thousands have followed their footsteps, braving the mountain's dangers. Yet, Everest continues to claim lives, reminding us of the immense power of nature. The story of Mount Everest is not just about a mountain. It's about human spirit, our quest for adventure, and our capacity to push boundaries. Every climber who has set foot on Everest, every life claimed by its icy winds, adds a new chapter to this ongoing saga. So, as we gaze upon this majestic peak, let us remember the lessons it teaches us about perseverance, courage, and respect for the forces of nature.